National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Clark County and central Wisconsin, Jackson County and west central Wisconsin, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fairchild 9 miles south of Price to near Galesville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: law enforcement reported widespread wind damage across Trempealeau County. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Fairchild around 5:15 p.m. Humbird around 5:25 p.m. Greenwood around 5:30 p.m. Hetfield around 5:35 p.m. Loyal around 5:40 p.m. Bealsville around 5:45 p.m. Shortville around 5:50 p.m. Millston around 6 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Franklin, Highway 73 and 98, Shamrock, the Black River Correctional Center, Tioga, Potters Floyd and Perry Creek Recreation Area. This includes Interstate 94 between mile markers 94 and 132. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Clark and Jackson.
95.7 The Rock. We'll keep an eye on the weather for you guys. That's